Alright guys, we're gonna go on Egley Park Road right now. Today is Sunday, so that's why this little spot in Offertree is not so busy. Monday to Saturday, right here would have been like filled with cars. Yeah, so the big clock right there, so you know you're in Offertree. There's a camera on the right, the Jamaica camera. Yeah, the camera is good too. You should see when it's zooming all the way up the road. And NCB on your left. So we're going down. You saw that pothole a while ago? Jeez. Going down. Got Don Tiff behind the camera. Don Tiff, big up yourself.
Thank you. Hi guys.
Yeah, don't forget to check her out. Don D-O-N, then the Jamaica flag, and then Tiff T-I-F-F.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, check her out. Here to the right as well. If you go right, this leads.
That painting is nice over there.
Yeah, the Christ service. Yeah, I never even noticed that. Look at this church. You can tell it's been there for a long time.
Yeah. Made
Probably
of bricks.
hundreds of years. Oh, look, road work on the left. Whoa. Road work on the left. Must be Christmas. But I'm happy that they're, you know, the busy business areas that's frequent, they're putting a lot of work into ensuring those roads are in good condition. So we're going down Egley Park here. A lot of car dealerships here. There's a lot of yeah, car dealership, car places.
This
Here.
one on the left.
Yeah. Fontan. Hay Motors. A lot of little independent car dealership. Like Egley Park to me is like a business area.
Reminds me of Mandeville.
Yeah. Mandeville have a lot of car dealerships. The funny thing is, what I found out is a lot of people tell me that Mandeville have cheaper cars, you know, but come to find out that's not true. A lot of the cars that you see out there, they actually bought it in Kingston from like wholesalers that sell, you know, they'll come by 3, 4, 5 and bring it up there. So you think you're getting a good price because you're in Mandeville. No.
And look at this on your right. There's no coincidence that Bert's, the head office is here on Egley Park Road.
Egley Park Road.
Right over there. And they fix it up real nice too.
Yeah. Birds. You gotta be careful of Birds. So I find out they will sell Chinese imitation parts and put it in the original box. So I found that out this trip. So it's in the original box, but when you take it out and you examine it, my mechanic showed me that this is an imitation part. Yeah, so be careful. It seemed like the imitation thing in Jamaica is becoming part of the culture, so you have to be careful when you're buying things down here. Make sure you get the real deal, you know. Or if you're okay with the fake one, but you don't want to pay for real and get fake, you know. It's better if you're paying for fake and you get fake, because that's what you're paying for, then fine. Another little dealership here on your left. A lot of dealerships here. A lot of business here. I wonder what they're gonna do over here on this lot.
Maybe another dealership.
Yeah, maybe another dealership.
But it looks a bit small though.
Yeah, well, it's a pretty good space compared to the ones here on the left. Good space.
So I think some of them they have additional parking elsewhere, like space storage.
Yeah.
Because ain't no way all your cars gonna fit right there.
True. Or they know how much their cars can, how much cars can fit on their lot. So
when you want something, you just request it and they go and get it.
Yeah, or they just buy just enough.
What's this over here? Oh.
Yeah, CRV, Honda Civic. So it's another parts store right here. Another parts store. right now we're on Egley Park Road. I don't think I pronounced that properly. Egley Park Road. Egley. So we're gonna make a left right here in Waltham. We're gonna go to make the left Waltham Park. You hear it in the Cartel song. Infrared mention Waltham. You gotta be on your P's and Q's when you're in these places. And no tarry. Anywhere you go, you're just in and out. Quick move. No lingering and hanging out. That's my recommendation. The road at Waltham is not too bad still. They did a lot of work. Not bad at all. Yeah, these places, not really places to hang on. Let's go close. That bus just came to me. Oh, yeah. You gotta make sure you're on your P's and Q's in these places.
Almost look like a donkey.
The bicycle?
I thought it was a donkey at first.
Okay. Yeah. You have to be careful. And don't be afraid to fold in your mirrors when you see a lot of cars. Yeah. Here comes a fire truck. Whoa. That's good though to see fire trucks, you know. We need more of those on the island. We need more of those. So we're going down Waltham. Alright. Yeah, show the people I'm around different areas. Chef restaurant. The church, St. Peter.
I think there's a school too.
Church, that's it. Yeah, there must be some schools around there. But Waltham is also like a working area, you know, but they just have communities off in the side street. But it seems there's a lot of business on Waltham. A lot of business. Like, look, here's another. This bar is nice. I like how they paint the wall in black. Tour Avenue. So now this is like the serious park of Waltham. Serious part. Look at that pothole right there. Jeez. I think that's a school right there, a basic school on the left. Here it says welcome to Galloway Road. Catch a sign right there. Yeah.
I think that's a cemetery over there.
Cemetery is over there, but they don't use this cemetery anymore though. Many years they stopped using this. I think probably from like 1999, around those times. We're gonna bust the left on Victoria Road right here. All right, guys, so we're in Victoria Road right now. Just be on your P's and Q's when you're in these places. Show them the place, Tiff. Whoa. Yeah. One thing with these little communities, like they're very resourceful. Like a lot of shops and you know,
houses.
Yeah, people sell food on Saturday and Sunday. Like it's almost like if you don't have to leave, you don't need to. Everything is here. You have your shops. Look at that. You have your bars.
Especially if you were born and raised here.
Yeah, you have your shops, your bars. I'm not saying you couldn't leave though, but They have,
reasons. to
yeah,
stay.
there's like everything is here. Businesses. is
And they
here.
even fix up their houses too. Like
Yeah,
that
and
is
then
nice
there's
house
some
over there.
people, yeah, spending their money and fixing up their place because everybody know rent isn't cheap, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, going on the road to live is not, especially the time we're in right now where money's so hard to come by.
And maybe some of them inherited the land.
Yeah, look at this house on the right here being
Very
built.
beautiful.
Very
And it's
beautiful.
not even finished.
And yeah, and
Almost
modern. Yeah. In the ghetto, if you have a spot in the ghetto, you just fix it up, you know?
And I think that's why a lot of people stay in the ghetto too. Like,
It's cheaper, that's for
Yeah.
sure. Look at this car place here.
I didn't even know. This
I
was
don't know
a
what they
place.
do over there,
Probably
but see a
mechanic.
couple 7 Series, couple Mercedes. Alright guys, so this is where we're gonna end the video. Waltham to Pretoria, you know, in the hood. So thank you guys for tuning in. I didn't want to take too much of your time. Please like, share, subscribe. Check out Dan Tiff. I'm just, you know, a rookie. But I love my island and I want to showcase everything about it. And so just help me to grow this channel so I can keep bringing you guys, you know, the island, the good, the bad, you know, everything. Yeah, look at this home. It's so like vintage. French doors. It's nice though. Yeah, so guys, like and share, you know, help me to grow this channel, please and thank you.